Customize your lock screen. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. And here, tap on your lock screen wallpaper preview. And now, we can easily customize our lock screen. To customize your lock screen clock, select your clock. And now you can select a different clock style or font just like so. You can also change or customize your clock color. Then go to style. Here you can select a different clock style. You'll find a bunch of different clock style. So in my case, I'm selecting this one. And now tap on widget. And now you can go ahead and remove any widget. And to add new widget, just go ahead and add widget just like so. And now if you want to change your lock screen app icons, just tap on the icon and you can replace the icon just like so. And then if you want to change your lock screen wallpaper, then tap on wallpapers. And now you can go ahead and select a different wallpaper for your lock screen. That's how go ahead and customize your lock screen. That's it.